Hello everyone, welcome back to our Q&A
where you ask
and we answer. I'm Lauren.
and I'm Taylor.
And today our question for Taylor is something we get asked all the time, and it's, how are you any different than other PT clinics?
So this is a question we get asked all the time, and I think it comes down to one word, right? And that word is time. Think about the last time you went to the doctor, right? Or the last time you went to the dentist, or the last time you went to any other physical therapy clinic. You get maybe 5 minutes, if you're lucky, 10 minutes of uninterrupted time with your expert medical professional. The good news is the way that we've set this clinic up is so that we can really take the time to divulge what's going on with you, and we are very specific in the way that we treat, right? It's not cookie cutter, it's not any of those cliches, right? If you've been to physical therapy before, a lot of what we see is, and this is the comments that we get most of the time, are that you come in, you maybe see the therapist for 5 minutes, and then it's exercise, 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 exercise. That's not our goal. Our goal is to take the time that we need to get in touch with you so that we can make sure that we're getting you back to doing the things that you want to do, whatever that is, right? Getting back to your lifestyle, free of pain, with no worry, and everything that we do is tailored, get it, Lauren? Tailored? Specifically for you, right? So it's not a bunch of just cookie cutter exercises. We're here to take time. In most cases, it's an entire hour of our time so that we can spend the time with you to get you back to doing the things that you want to do. That is how I would say we are different than most other clinics.
Awesome. Well, thank you for the answer, and we hope that provides some clarity on the question. If you have any more questions, please feel free to let us know and we will answer them.
Bye.